Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The economic calendar for the days ahead holds a range of data releases, each with the potential to influence markets. Whether major or moderate in impact, these updates may bring market volatility and strategic adjustments. Each release carries potential implications for the market. Staying alert and ready to shift strategies can help leverage these changes to your advantage.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices settled higher after a choppy session as traders weighed the impact of Western sanctions on Russian oil flows, as well as US President Donald Trump saying his administration had started interviewing for the next Federal Reserve chair. The dollar held modest gains against the yen after touching a fresh 9.5-month high and edged up versus the euro as investors worried about Japan's fiscal stance and awaited US data for signals on the Federal Reserve's next move. Bitcoin was trading slightly higher after hitting a 7-month low below $90,000. The risk-sensitive cryptocurrency has lost all this year's gains and is now around 26% below a peak above $126,000 in October.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.